Hello, everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Productions here. Marshall Studios Forever Productions is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I'm going to be running my Blue Bissell 9 amp soft bag upright vacuum cleaner. And this is much of a power partner. It's not a power partner, it's a Blue Bissell leather bag, and I really found out that this vacuum actually was been made throughout the 1996 until 1998. It was throughout the 1996 until the year of 2001. For first of all, you guys, this is a 1998 version, and this vacuum is only about 27 years old. It's going to be 28 years old. They made this in January of 1998. It's a really good vacuum cleaner I really love to keep. And there is a bright red one of one of these before. There is a bright red one, like in a wide track version. It's a wide track. It's mostly been sold at Target only back in the late 90s and the early 2000s, and I just really noticed that there is a bright red one, a Target special edition one, was actually been made in 1998 or 1999. And I really need to get the Target catalog book. I just really noticed that Target actually mostly sell black Bissells and red Bissells back in the 90s. The dark blue Bissell 9 amp vacuum was being... This is the light blue Bissell 9 amp. There is a green one I really wanted to find. There is a green one, and they still exist. And I just noticed that this vacuum cleaner, well, the blue one has came out in 1998, and the green one came out in 98. And there is a red one, there is a bright red one it was a Target special edition one, I believe. Or a limited edition back then. Well, anyway, you guys, I'm going to turn on the switch. 3, 2, 1, action! Well, works pretty good. Works fantastically. See the brush roll right here, you guys? first of all, yeah, it's a really good machine to use. And for first of all, I wanted to say that it made the carpets groom fantastically. And that machine will suck right out of the carpet. See the carpet lines right here, you guys? Looks amazing. But anyway, I wanted to make sure that you guys click thumbs up and hit subscribe and click down below what you want to see for a brand new video. I will see you in the next video. Bye! And also make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe and click down below what you want to see for other stuff, like for another video. Also, December 6th, 2025 on a Saturday, me and Lisita will be on the Uncle Rico show on Saturday on December 6th at 4 p.m.